You're welcome, and this is a lesson. So first and foremost, let me show you how easy it is for you to actually make money on this platform. So let's click on the quantify, and if you notice currently it says quantify time I have is 0/4/1. So let me just click on the start quantify because I'm currently in the VIP one, but I'll be showing every single step you need before you can actually get here, which is registering of the account, and also in order for you to make deposit for you to be able to do this itself. So now I've earned roughly 2 USDT right now today. So let's begin the video. All you just need to do is click on the link in the description for you to get started, and you fill out all this information and type in the verification code and click on the register button. Once you successfully register, you'll be taken back to the home page. So guys, now once you successfully register, you will get this welcome message and you can click on the close button. So on this platform guys, there are different levels which you can actually use to earn. So let's go back to the quantify itself, but the minimum starting part is actually the VIP one, which you need at least 10 USDT for you to get started, and you'll be earning 2 USDT for that 10 USDT. And for the VIP 2, you need a minimum of 100 USDT. So let me say you're in the VIP one, if you deposit something like even 50 USDT, you'll be unlocking still the VIP one. So your VIP will determine your earning daily, and for the VIP one you'll be earning roughly 20% per day, and the VIP 2 you'll be earning 22% per day. So the higher your VIP, the higher your earning daily. So let's say we click on the home button back, and wanted to go with the VIP 1 or the VIP 2. We click on the recharge button itself, we select any of the network BEP20 BNB TRC20 TRX. So let's say we go with the BEP20 USDT, and we can either go with the quantitative account. So our address, just click on the quantitative and you copy the wallet address, you can make the deposit. Once you're done doing that, you click on the recharge completed, and this will update your balance, and this is how you make deposit. But also you can make deposit for the smart account, which you just have to click here, and you copy and you go and make the deposit and click on the recharge. But the smart account is kind of a different type of investment. So let's just go back, and you can click on the quantify over here and come back, scroll. So let's say you've deposited for something like the VIP 2, you can click to unlock itself. If I add enough like 100 USDT right now, I'll just be able to unlock the VIP 2, but currently I'm in the VIP 1, and you see how I was able to do my tax then, and I was able to earn USDT within few seconds itself. So let's click on the home button back, click on the close button, and that's how you make your recharge. You'll be able to do that and be able to do your tax. And once you're done doing that, you just have to click on the start quantify every single day for you to just keep on earning certain percentage of your earning. So let's click on the home, click on the close button, and from here itself we have something like the lucky draw, luck just for you, and let's click on the go, and the number of draw is actually 0, so we don't have any draw. There are some certain tasks you need to perform before you can actually get this lucky draw for free, and that will also make you to earn. And let me click on this invest part, and this is for the smart investment. So you can click on the first one, and you select the one you want to go for, you read about it, and you click on something like this, and you make the deposit if you don't have enough in your balance. Okay, and that's it. That's how you just make your deposit and you can start earning. But what about once you do all the stuff you want to place your withdrawal? You click on the withdrawal section over here. You can either withdraw using BEP20 BNB TRC20 or the TRX. You just have to type in the amount, withdrawal address, security password, and you click on the confirm button. So guys, now once you fill out all the information, you can just click on the confirm button, and it says withdrawal success, and we can wait for we to say our withdrawal been processed. But before our withdrawal drop, guys, if you want to reach out to that customer service, you can use this customer service icon button, and you can reach out to them on Telegram if you have any issue, any complaint you want to lay, and that will be sorted out for you. And also there is a way that you can actually use to really earn fast on this platform, which is by inviting your friends. You build a team and you earn from that. So click on invite friend, you copy your invitation link and you share it to your friends and family, and with this you actually really accumulate, because you earn 10%, 3%, and 1% for your TV levels itself. Okay, so let's go and see if our withdrawal has stopped. We will do 2 USDT if you recall, and let's go and check it out. So guys, I just got this credit, and if you look at the time, you will see the current time we are right now, and it was sent to me. It didn't take close to, let me say, it wasn't even close to 2 to 3 minutes before it got credited. So guys, if you want to actually jump on it, it was launched today, and you can jump on it right now. It's newly launched, and you too, you can start earning. And if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also drop a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.